This video is going to show you how to use the LAUNCH X-431 IMMO. It not only possesses the vehicle diagnostic and maintenance functions of other diagnostic tools, but also supports key and anti-theft related features. Firstly, upon unboxing, you will find two boxes, one containing the IMMO tablet and Bluetooth box, and the other containing the anti-theft prog sandbox. Along with other cables required for connecting to the vehicle. Let's start by opening the tablet and navigating to the settings in the desktop menu. Scroll down to find the system language option, and enter the language change menu. Add the desired language and drag it to the top to complete the language switch. Then navigate back to the settings interface. Locate the Wi-Fi option, search for and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Then open the IMMO software from the desktop menu. Select Software Update. Please follow the registration process to swiftly create an account and activate box. Upgrade both the IMMO software and car software. Once the upgrade is complete, return to the main menu. Introduce the first IMMO software option. This particular option is primarily used for matching the vehicle with the original factory key. It can support deleting lost keys and matching new keys from the original factory. When the ignition switch key, ignition switch, combined instrument panel, ECU, BCM, or remote control battery is replaced. Introducing the second IMMO prog software. This option primarily offers two functionalities. Read transponder data including Mercedes-Benz infrared smart key and generate exclusive keys. Read-write onboard EEPROM chip data and read-write MCU ECU engine replacement or transmission cloning. When utilizing this feature, it is crucial to follow the connection diagram provided by the IMMO diagnostic tool. Failure to do so may result in unsuccessful module reading. Introducing the third feature, the key programmer, which is primarily designed for key programming and dealer key generation. It allows for the replacement of original manufacturer keys with elements sophisticated key options. However, you will need to purchase the key prog expansion tool, as shown in the product image, for a fee. In order to proceed with the software upgrade, it is imperative that you establish a connection to this expansion device. Enter the vehicle remote menu and select the corresponding available super remote to generate. Select the corresponding key and place the super remote key in the key programmer to generate. After the remote control is successfully generated, enter the set type of super chip menu to generate the corresponding key chip. Certainly, this device also offers smart diagnostics capabilities. Once connected to the OBD diagnostic socket, it can instantly identify the make, model year, and VIN of the vehicle with just a simple click. Furthermore, it scans the entire vehicle system and fault codes to provide a comprehensive health report. Enabling efficient troubleshooting and repair of the vehicle. Upon accessing the system, advanced functionalities come into view. Allowing for the scanning of comprehensive vehicle data streams. Moreover, this device supports over 30 maintenance reset functions, ensuring superior maintenance and servicing of vehicles.